guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to solve day 2 problem of this month on LeetCode. Before starting, if you guys haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, then please go ahead and subscribe it. Now without any delay, let's get started with today's problem. Problem number 1455. Check if a word occurs as a prefix of any word in a sentence. Okay, so in this problem you have given a sentence that consists of some words separated by a single space and a search word. Check if search word is a prefix of any word in a sentence. Okay, so see this example number 1. This is sentence given to us and this is search word. Okay, so I'm just going to find this search word. Okay, I'm going to check if this search word is a prefix of any other word. So here see, for this word burger, okay, so this burg is a prefix, right? So this is what we need to find. Okay, and this is at position number 4, so I'm just going to write output as 4. Okay, here we are searching for pro. Okay, and this is available here and at this position. Okay, so whatever the first position, so here 1 2. Okay, so we are going to stop here, so I'm just going to return 2. Okay, pro is a prefix of problem, which is in the second and the sixth word in the sentence, but we return 2 as it's the minimal index. Okay, and here you, it is not there. Okay, u is not there, so we are just going to return -1. Okay, so this is what is written here. Okay, so I hope that you guys are clear. So now how we are going to solve this problem? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just split this sentence based on their spaces. Okay, so I'm just going to treat this as one word, treat this as one word, treat this as one word, treat this as one word. Okay, and then after that I'm just going to iterate over all the words one by one, and I'm going to search if any word is starting with this word. Okay, if yes, then just return this value. Otherwise, if we don't find any other word, so we are just going to return -1. Okay, so let's move to the coding part. So code is also going to be very simple for this one. Okay, so here what you need to do here, so create one string array of words. Okay, string and words, and here this is my sentence, right? So I'm just going to split it. Okay, so here sentence dot split, okay, based on the space. Okay, so this is what we need to do here, right? And once this is done, then after that let's iterate over all the words one by one. For int I is equal to 0, I is less than let's create one variable n. Okay, int n is nothing but words dot length. Okay, total words that I have. All right, so here I is equal to 0, I is less than n, I plus plus, and inside this I'm just going to check if my particular word, okay, so words of I, okay, dot starts with, okay, I'm going to use this method, starts with this word. Okay, search word. Okay, so if any of the my word is starting with this search word, okay, so from that position only I'm just going to return I plus 1. Okay, I plus 1. Why? Because this is at a 0 index, right? 0 position, so I am treating it as 1. Okay, this word is at 1 index, but I have to return 2 here. Okay, if this word is at 3 index, but I have to 2 index, so I have to return 3 for this one. This word is at 3 index, but I am returning 4 in the output, right? So that's why. And in the end, okay, if we don't find any such word, we are just going to return -1. Okay, that's it. Now let's run the code and see if there are code issues, then we'll try to fix that. So the test cases has been accepted. Now let's submit it, and the time complexity for this one is going to be n. Okay, so see, our solution is accepted, right? So I hope that you guys are able to understand today's problem, and if you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. Meet you guys in the next video. Thank you, bye bye.